You are coming to crown the humble with joy. You come to bestow joy, gladness, and peace. You bring us into the flow and rest of your ease. For your yoke is easy and your burden is light. Father, it's time that your eagles take flight, for the darkness encroaches like blackest of night. Creation groans for the release and manifestation. The manifestation and release of the higher flying eagles, sons of God. The nation so deluded and blinded and in need of their vision. Eagles, sons and daughters on a kingdom mission. They know only to move at the direction given and pointed of their God. The character shaped, forged and tempered by the hand of the Lord. The sword of His Spirit is words spoken from the heart of the Father. His sword, His word flows through their lips, His word. Purified, forged and unsheathed from the depths of their God, whose eyes burns with fire. Oh, when He speaks His words through fiery oracles. These move as divine, miraculous miracles, a gavel of the divine justice of God, now unsheathed from the depths of His heart, sealing the fate of the hosts of the heavens, being swung by the hand and arm of divine justice. It is time. It is time. It is it shall be good with them. A loving Father bestowing showers of recompense paid back to comfort them. Exploding joy, deep kiss of peace. For this the Father's wish. Here comes the Prince of Peace. He comes to receive His bride, an embrace so sweet. It is so very deep. For Christ and His beloved has been emptied of self, so they might be unified and joined, established, solidified into inseparable oneness, an eternal, unshakable foundation of God's divine love, solidified by the liquid of His flowing heart, an unending, immeasurable, bottomless fountain of boundless, endless pleasure. Father, open the floodgates and fill these devoted hearts willfully given back to back. Say